Hey guys, this is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and this is Vlogmas Day 2, and I am so excited to get started with this. I'm just standing in my bathroom right now, and there's some things that I need to work on in this bathroom. I do live in an apartment, and I'm going to take you along the journey of apartment living and getting things the way that I like it so that it's home for me. And it's been a work in progress. I've been here, some time in this apartment, but I really haven't done anything and as much as I would like to. So I'm starting this journey to kind of keep my mind off of the fact that my son just passed away not too long ago. And in September, to be exact, he was my oldest child. I do have a younger child, and this is kind of going to be my therapy of getting out there, putting myself out there, because he's always encouraged me to step from behind the scenes and come to the forefront because he thought that I deserved to be in the forefront. I miss him so, but I'm not gonna, get you guys down or a pity party for me with that. We're here to, my goal is to inspire you to design your life with style. That is my motto for this channel, and my vision for this channel. And I'm hoping that, I can do that for you. Take what you want, leave, you know, the rest of it for someone else who may want it. And I'm just so thankful and happy for the two people that saw my first video and my intro video of me coming soon. I appreciate that. Let's see if we can get 5. But the goal, the milestone is for the 1,000 views to get stuff rolling here on YouTube. So this outfit is just, a basic tee with, studding and a pair of jeans and just a pair of K-Swiss. This is my look for today. And this hair, you're not going to believe where I got this hair from. But you get what you pay for. And that's all I'm going to say about that. So it'll do for now until I decide I want to comb my hair and put some makeup on and all that kind of stuff. Normally, this is my first time ever wearing a wig. And I haven't in the past because I've always had hair. My hair is not this long, but it's long enough. And I just didn't feel like combing my hair today. How about that? And we're going to leave it right there. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and don't be too stressed out with the Christmas shopping. This is a time of joy and giving, and hopefully I can give to you some kind of comfort or joy of watching my videos. So again, it is my goal to inspire you in your life to design with style. So we'll see you in the next video, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you. Bye.